Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an overlay to a photo in Lightlip. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just select a photo here, and after that press on overlay. And here you can select the overlay type like Lightleaks, texture, sparkle, and after that you can just press on the checkmark symbol, and if you want to save it, press on the export option in the top of your right corner, and after that the photo is going to be saved like that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.